In order to calculate the number of machines needed in a system, taking into consideration the efficiency, the available time, let's do this example to see what is the appropriate number of machines to be used or must be used in a system. So a new plant is considering to produce 720 electronic components in an 8-hour day shift of work. And each component requires 25 hours of testing and automatic testing machine. Within this time, there are 3 minutes for loading and 2 minutes for unloading, for adjustment. If the system efficiency is expected to be 90%, how many testing machines should be installed to fully handle the load? Okay, so we have the system efficiency, which is 90%. System efficiency 90%, and we must produce 720 electronic components. So the system efficiency, which is 90% here, okay, system efficiency, this gonna be considered as scrap rate. Okay, so in order to produce 720 units, this is our factory. Okay, and we have 90%, okay, 10% scrap. Okay, so we must produce 720 divided by 0.9. We must produce 800 units. So after inspection, the remaining will be 720. Okay, this has been said. We need to find enough time to produce 800 units. So the total needed time is equal to 800 units times 25 minutes per unit. So 800 times 25, 800 is 20,000 units. Okay, or excuse me, minutes. So we need 20,000 minutes in order to accomplish the job. Okay, or 2,500 hours. Okay, or 2,500 hours. Okay, so number of machine needed will be number of machine needed is equal, okay, total time needed, total time available is equal 2,500 hours divided by 8 hours. So it's 2,500 divided by 8. So we need 312.5. We rounded up to 313 tester.